for you guys, for us, for anyone listening, like what are the skills that you're going to continue to do daily just to make sure you continue to build that intimate, deeper connection that both of you are striving for?
I think understanding, really having some like take a step back and have like empathy for the other person. Like if he knows that I've had a really long day, he is like, do you want me to cook dinner? Do you want like, he tries to, we try and make each other's lives easier and not harder. And when you do that, it makes everything just kind of a little bit, because if you want to make someone's life easier, that person can feel it. And they also get the benefits of like making like if I know he's had like a really long day, I'll be like, hey, let's, go for a walk and I'll make dinner or do stuff that, and it's little tiny things. Cause I always would say like it's death by 1,000 paper cuts, but it feels like it can be the opposite of that.
We're in it to win this.
Little tiny like accomplishments mean everything to our relationship instead of like these big like monumental things. It's little things that we constantly are doing to make each other's lives easier out of like love and empathy and compassion for each other and for our family too.
Yeah, just because you're having a good day doesn't mean I'm having a good day. I'm having that empathy like that, like you're saying, like, and she always like she says, we have our nights to cook. It works out for our family, but there's some nights it's not my night to cook, or it's not her night to cook. And they're like, but I can see something's off. Let me help you out on that. And I appreciate that. Or like if we haven't been going to the gym, she's like, we need to go to the gym. It's good for your mental. It's good for that. Cause she sees me not in the gym. I get more anxious. I'm more depressed. I don't have that outlet. And I appreciate you for that. But I agree with you. It's just being like patient with each other and like understanding and showing up for each other.